Hello guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. On today's video, I'll be teaching you guys how to sew a wig using the sewing machine. If this sounds like what you are interested in or what you would want to learn, then please watch this video till the end, and also please like and comment on this video, and also subscribe to my channel so that you'll get more videos like this. So let's get into the video. I started sewing this bundle on the wig cap using the sewing machine. I was sewing it and I did not cut the bundle. I would just turn like you see me doing now. I would just turn the bundle, flip it over and keep on sewing. I did not cut it. This was what I was doing. I was sewing it from the bottom to the top. As you can see, you will just start from the bottom and you'll be sewing it and line by line till you get to the top. Can you see how it is? Are you seeing it? I kept on sewing like that until I got to the top part of the wig. As you can see, I did not cut the bundles. I was just flipping it over, and this is me still sewing all the way to the top. So for this video not to be long, I'm going to forward this and then continue. So guys, at this point I've sewn to the top part of my wig cap and I want to fix in the closure. As you can see the space remaining, and see me trying to place the closure on top of the wig cap. Can you see? And this is me sewing it down using I've placed the closure on the wig cap, so I'm trying to sew one side down to the wig cap, one side of the closure. Can you see what I'm doing? I'm sewing one side, securing one side of it, then I cut the thread and then I'll flip to the other side of the closure. I'm doing this so that I'll get a perfect fix. Can you see? I'm sewing the second part of the closure down, then I'm sewing all the way to the back of the closure. See me sewing the back, securing the back of the closure. Can you see what I'm doing? So I started by sewing the first side of the closure, then by securing it, I flipped to the other side of the closure and then sewed the back of the closure, and this is what I have. You can see that there are still spaces left behind, so I'm going to use the remaining bundles to fill up these spaces, as you can see. So I'm going to fill them up. So this is me trying to fill up all the spaces, because I have to cover everything with the bundle so that there will be no space left at all. So I'm sewing in the bundles to cover up all the spaces line after line. I'm just going in, sewing them one after the other, as you can see. I'll sew and flip to the other side and continue sewing. Can you see? See how I'm securing it, filling it up. So this is me filling this. I was just trying to fill it up at this moment, then flip over and sew again, sew down to fill the wig cap up with the bundles. So guys, I continued doing this until I ensured that everything was filled up, the whole bundles, the whole wig cap was covered up with hair bundles. Please, if you have watched to this point, I beg you, please like and subscribe to my YouTube channel for more videos like this. Please subscribe guys, comment and share this. So can you see the remaining space? It's just remaining small, just tiny space. So but I have to fill everything up, so I kept doing this until everything was filled up with the hair bundle. You keep on doing this, going round, sewing round to make sure that everything fills up, that you cover all the spaces until you do not see any line of the wig cap or the closure net. So this is me cutting out the bundles, the excess bundle, to fill up the other side. Can you see the space that the net of the closure is still showing? But you have to make sure that you cover everything up. You don't have They don't have to see the closure net. Okay, so you cover it up by adding more bundles to the hair, to the wig. So that's what I kept on doing. Kept on repeating this process until everything was. So I made sure that everything was finally covered up. Like no space was left at all. No space was left. Everything was covered and it was looking fine. See how the wig turned out. See, our wig is ready and ready for style.